Swans are graceful white birds with long necks. They glide smoothly across lakes. They often stay with one partner for life. Pelicans have big beaks with a pouch to catch fish. They dive into water to scoop up their meal. They live by coasts and lakes. Albatrosses are great ocean travelers. They can fly for days without resting. Their long wings help them glide far across the sea. Parakeets are colorful and love to chirp. They are small parrots often kept as pets. They enjoy company and playful toys. Macaws are large parrots with rainbow feathers. They live in rainforests and have strong beaks. They can live for many years. Kingfishers have bright blue and orange feathers. They sit near rivers and dive to catch fish. Their sharp eyes spot prey easily. Herons have long legs and necks. They stand still in water, waiting for fish. They are calm and elegant hunters. Storks are tall with long beaks. People say they bring babies in stories. They live near wetlands and eat frogs and fish. Cranes are long-legged birds that dance beautifully. They are symbols of luck and long life in many cultures. They travel in large flocks. Puffins have colorful beaks and look like tiny clowns. They can swim underwater to catch fish. They live on cold sea cliffs. Falcons are fast flyers with sharp eyes. They can dive through the air to catch prey. Some falcons can fly faster than cars. Hawks soar high and watch for small animals below. They have strong claws and curved beaks. They live in forests, fields, and deserts. Kites have long wings and tails that help them glide. They love to fly over open lands. They eat small animals and insects. Vultures clean nature by eating leftovers of dead animals. They have bald heads and big wings. They help keep the land healthy. Eagle-owl. The eagle-owl is one of the biggest owls. It has orange eyes and large ear tufts. It hunts rabbits and other small animals at night. Cockatoos have fancy crests on their heads. They love to dance and scream loudly. They are very playful and live long lives. Lovebirds are small parrots that always stay close together. They are colorful and affectionate. Their name comes from how they cuddle. Magpies are black and white with shiny tails. They are curious and love shiny things. They are also clever and can mimic sounds. Ravens are bigger cousins of crows. They are mysterious birds often seen in mountains. They are smart and sometimes playful. Finches are tiny and colorful songbirds. They chirp sweet tunes and love to eat seeds. Many people keep them as pets.